everyone, we are here for another grand super yummy Filipino dish, crispy pata. For those who are new to this channel, I'm Doc Mats. I feature good vibe videos for entertainment and educational purposes. Actually, it's been a month now when I decided to make my YT channel to air publicly, and guess what? No regret at all because of your warm support. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for spending time with me in this fun and exciting adventure. Love you all, K-Buddies! Today we will have Rani, a secret for extra crispy pata. Super easy in just 3 steps. So for the first one, boil with special herbs and spices until the meat is tender. And then, of course, make sure to cool down before frying or even refrying. Finally, refry until super crispy. So as you can see, guys, with perfection. Yum, yum. There you go, guys. This is Rani's super crispy pata. Let's have a bite. Super crispy. Yum, yum, yum. Then, of course, dip it with toyomansi. Toyomansi is a soy sauce with lemon and sliced onions plus chilies. Watch out for our upcoming video. It's about Samji food trip experience. So if you like this video about crispy pata, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Okay, till next time, K-Buddies, continue watching my other videos.